You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. A name that is more or most commonly found in France. The French pronunciation is as Mathis. Mathis. In English, it's usually pronounced as Mathis or Mathis. How to pronounce Mathis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.